The first time you saw it, it moved you. It broke and crashed and pulled at your soul. You saw life anew in its reflection and its strength. All was lost save for its death, its power to save you from all you might become, and you will never be the same. The first time you saw her, she moved you. She broke and crashed and pulled at your soul. You saw life anew in her reflection, in her strength. All was lost save for her death, her power to save you from all you might become, and you will never be the same. The last time you saw it, it moved you. It broke and crashed and pulled at your soul. You saw life faded in its reflection and its strength. All was lost despite his death, his power to save you from all you become, and you were always the same, numbly, forcefully, tragically, the same. In the beginning and the ending we find meaning. It is that vast expanse of middle where we fell.